Good morning, sir. Good morning, madam. I'm Cherel Sinsano, 34 years old, married, and I'm college level. I would like to work in Hong Kong for my kids' future and to earn money for my family to support their needs.
Okay, Miss Insano, I have some questions for you to be answered. When employer gets angry to your mistake and shout to you, what will you do?
I will say sorry and I will promise I will not do it again.
Okay. If baby cries at midnight, what will you do?
I'll do my duty, check the diaper. If it is wet, I will change it. If the baby hungry, I prepare milk. Then if the baby doesn't stop crying, I will get the thermometer to check her body temperature.
Okay. If children are very naughty and always shout to you and hit you, what will you do to them?
I have a very patient to the naughty children. I will ask them what they want so that I can give them quickly. If they want to play with me, then I will play with them.
Okay. How you assist the children in crossing the street?
It is so important to hold the hands of the children, check the traffic light, look at left and right side of the road. If there is no car coming, we will cross the pedestrian lane.
Okay. What will you do with the clothes before washing?
First, check all the pocket and remove all things from the pockets. Segregate white clothes from the color clothes to avoid discoloration.
Okay. If you don't understand the instructions from your employer, what will you do?
I ask my employer to please clarify the instruction to avoid misunderstanding.
Okay. Miss Insano, will you agree to renew another contract if employer requests you?
Yes, it's my pleasure to renew another contract with my employer.
Okay. Miss Insano, what is your promise to your future employer if they will choose you to be their helper?
Sir, madam, if you choose me to become your helper, I will promise I will do my best to be a good, honest, trustworthy, hardworking servant to you. I will treat your family as my own. Thank you, sir. Thank you, madam. Have a nice day.